Ever notice how a photo's mood can shift completely, even when the subject stays the same? Sometimes it's not the light, or the expression, or even the story. It's the colour. For years, artists and filmmakers have used colour to shape emotion, long before you realise what you're feeling. Warm tones pull you closer, cool tones push you away. It's that simple, and it's everywhere once you start noticing it. In photography, warm tones like amber streetlights or the warm glow of the midday sun bring a sense of comfort, the kind of warmth that makes you feel like you're part of the scene, not just looking at it. Cool tones, the blue of twilight or the pale reflection of a cloudy day, make a composition quieter, more introspective. And then there's the green cast, that slightly unnatural tint that you might see under older street lamps or create yourself in editing. It adds unease, a touch of the cinematic. Some photos speak through a single colour. A red coat cutting through weathered concrete, yellow shop window flowers juxtaposing with a dull reflection of a well-dressed subject. These small bursts of colour can reflect isolation, individuality, or even defiance. In an environment with desaturated or muted colours, one vivid accent can feel like hope or focus, guiding the viewer's eye to a distinctive moment of colour contrast. Colour can literally become the emotion itself. It sets the temperature of the frame. I like to use colour to give my photos a nostalgic, cinematic vibe, where the colours become softer and slightly aged. I basically push colours in a different direction so that the colour feels like a memory rather than reality, kind of soft and a little faded. Now you can focus on colour in your own work. When you're out shooting, look for the colours that make you feel something, not just what looks good. And when you're editing, don't think about correcting the light. Think about deepening the mood. Because colour doesn't just decorate a photo, it's the emotion that stays long after the moment has passed. Until we meet again, go forth and create.